So hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can deactivate your Instagram account for some time, or you can say for temporary purpose. So for that you just need to open your Instagram and go to your, just click on your logo from the bottom right corner, and then go to the three lines and then go to settings and privacy. After that, go to account center and then go to personal details, and after that go to account ownership and control. And here, as you can see, you can either delete or deactivate your account. After deleting or deactivating, Instagram gives you like 30 days. If you log in your account within 30 days, your account will be again revived. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this video is helpful. If this video helpful, then please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you.